quick little update on weight loss. Here you see there is a bunch of goodies. Oh, that smells amazing. I'm going to be sharing my current favorite caramel iced coffee with you guys that literally has me on a chokehold. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a vlog for you guys. It's going to be a really informal video where I chit chat with you guys and share some stuff that I've been really wanting to share with you guys. Usually when I have a bunch of small things here and there that I want to share with you guys, I typically just throw them into a vlog. So that's what I'll be doing today. So if you guys want to watch a really informal and relaxed video and you want to chill out with me, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I am in my studio because I just finished filming this makeup look for you guys. This is my everyday makeup routine that I've been loving, and these new products that I share with you guys I have been obsessed with. A lot of them I did share in other videos here and there, but there's some new ones that I've never shared on my channel. So make sure you guys check out that video. I still don't know if I'm going to post that one first or the vlog first, but regardless, it will be up on my channel, so make sure you guys look out for it. So as you guys know, it is the Lunar New Year, and I recently got this gift bag from Sephora, and I really wanted to unbox it with you guys and look through what the products are and maybe test them out. So I thought it would be really fun to share with you guys. Basically, Sephora was giving this away to customers that spent, I believe it was $90 or more. So I did purchase a big order of those Tarte lipsticks. If you guys haven't checked out the lipstick creams that I recently posted on my channel, it's the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Creams. I'm actually wearing them right now, you guys. I'm obsessed with them. So first up, I'm obsessed with this bag, you guys. It's so big and it's really gonna come in handy for travel or just to store makeup, so I love that. Of course, it's super bright red. I mean, I don't know if I love the color, but I definitely love the size. So here you see there is a bunch of goodies that Sephora basically threw in here. So something already fell out, so I guess we'll start with this one. So this is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love this stuff, you guys. I have honestly just a bunch of samples of this. Sephora loves to give these out. I don't think I've ever purchased it myself. So yeah, this is the first thing that I got. Next up, I got the Wattier Eye Opening Vegan Mascara. Ooh, we love that. I'm definitely excited to try this out. I'll probably throw this in like a full face of first impressions, so make sure you guys check out for that. Ooh, the next thing in here is some perfume. We have the Very Good Girl perfume by Carolina Herrera. There's like a sample. I'm so excited, you guys, because I love the Carolina Herrera Good Girl, like the original. My sister got it for me for my 24th birthday. It is up in my vlog from last year, so if you guys, or I guess 2 years ago, because I'm turning 26 this year in June. So if you guys want to check that out, I will leave the vlog up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. But I need to smell this, you guys. Holy, I want to see if I like this or not. Let's spray it on my wrist. Ooh, that is beautiful. It's definitely got more sweetness in it than the original. It does have the bold scent that the original has. Next up, we have the Guerlain Paris. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is a Double R Renew and Repair Advanced Serum. So this is a facial serum. Ooh, this is a pretty big product here. We've got the Keys Renewing Body and Hand Wash Gel. Interesting. Okay, so it says for body, gently massage over your entire body in a circular motion and rinse with warm water. For hands, pump into wet hands and work into a gentle lather. So I guess this is basically like a cleanser for your body or your hands. I kind of want to open it and see what the bottle looks like. This is a really big bottle. It does have like a lavender scent. I think I'm gonna keep this on my counter in my bathroom just on the side and probably use it as a hand cleanser, to be honest, and we'll see how I like it, or maybe I'll just throw it into my shower, I don't know. But this is a really big bottle, so I'm excited to give this a try. Next up, we have the Luna Sleeping Oil. This is by Sunday Riley, and it says that it's a next generation retinoid oil that reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. So this is what it looks like. It's a small little bottle. I do want to see the consistency. Oh wow, it's blue. That is so cool. I want to put like a drop on my hand, or maybe a few. Wow, do you guys see this? It's like a bright blue. Wow. Oh, that smells nice. Couple more goodies in here. We're almost through it. So I do see another perfume. This is the Floral Street Van Gogh Museum Sunflower Pop Eau de Parfum. I'm gonna spray some on my, I don't want to spray it right on top of where I put Carolina Herrera. Maybe I'll spray it on the top of my wrist. Oh, that smells amazing. This smells like a summer dream. Like, it's super sweet, floral, fresh. It has a really nice fresh scent, you guys. Oh my goodness, I love this. This smells like, honestly, like really, really good laundry detergent. To me, that's what it smells like. Next up, I got the Juice Beauty Lifting Neck Cream, which is really exciting. I mean, I've never used a neck cream. I'm noticing they gave me a lot of skincare, but hey, I'm not complaining. Or I guess just like skincare, body care, not a lot of makeup in this bag that I got. I know they had a couple of versions. This is what the bottle looks like. I'm curious to just try a little bit of the product. Put some on my hand. Oh, that is really nice. It has a thick consistency. Oh, that smells like lemon and lime. Like, it has a nice citrusy, fresh scent. Two more things to go. I have the Golden Belly Serum. This is a multi-benefit treatment oil. So it doesn't really say anything else. I don't know if it's for your belly or if it's for anywhere. I mean, it is saying it's multi-benefit, so maybe I will use this on my hands because like I said, I have dry AF hands right now. I do want to actually try out this oil. Yeah, that feels really nice. It's got a lighter consistency than the Sunday Riley oil. It's definitely a little bit more lightweight. And the last thing I received is the Ilia Balmy Gloss, which I'm super excited about because I have not tried any Ilia products and I've noticed people have been loving Ilia. So I'm really excited to try this out. This is the tinted lip oil in the shade Linger. So I'm not gonna try this on now because I do want to feature it in a full face of first impressions. So make sure you guys check out for that video. So that is everything that was in my Lunar New Year goodie bag from Sephora. I think overall it's a pretty solid gift, you guys. Of course, it's a lot of samples. I wish there was more makeup in here, but I think I got version, oh, it says bag number 4. So I got bag number 4. I know there was different versions. Maybe other versions had more makeup. Mine just had more skincare and body care, but I'm okay with it. I'm super happy. I love receiving, you know, free stuff. I mean, who doesn't? So yeah, that is everything in my bag that I wanted to share. I hope you guys enjoyed some of that Sophie content. So she is now just over here on the side while I'm talking to you guys. I feel like it's time for her to take her afternoon nap. But yeah, I'm really excited for this portion of today's vlog because I'm going to be sharing my current favorite caramel iced coffee with you guys that literally has me on a chokehold. I am so obsessed with this drink, you guys. I literally make it every single day. Every morning before I start work, I need to make this drink and I can't get enough of it. It's so good. And the best part about this drink is that it's calorie efficient and it's low sugar. If anything, it's actually zero sugar. The only sugar you're really getting is from the milk that you're having, and that's honestly not bad. I mean, it's natural, it's protein, it's good for you. So yeah, I'm obsessed. If you guys have watched my previous videos, then you would know that I love the Smucker's sugar-free caramel sauce. But the only downside to that sauce, you guys, is that it's pretty high in calories and high in carbs. So although it's sugar-free, it's still pretty high in other things. So it wasn't really the best alternative. And if you use a little bit too much, you're actually kind of going a little bit too heavy on calories and carbs. So one thing that I love about this new caramel sauce that I found is that it is 0 calories and it's only 1 gram of carbs for 1/4 cup. You're definitely not gonna have a 1/4 cup of caramel in your coffee. So it's basically 0 carbs and 0 calories. So this, I will say, is a little bit more liquidy. It's not as thick and like caramel sauce or caramel drizzle that you would want, kind of like the Smucker's one or like what you would get at Starbucks. But the flavoring is really nice, and honestly, I've been loving it. I feel like it definitely hits the spot, and it's a great alternative, and you don't feel guilty drinking it because you know that it's good in terms of the macros. So just a quick little update on weight loss and what's been going on. I know I did open up about my journey and restarting it and wanting to lose weight, but I am in a little bit of a setback right now. I'm not doing keto. I'm eating more of a balanced diet. So I'm eating bread, rice, carbs, all of the things, and I'm trying to maintain more of a low calorie diet. So that is just currently what's going on. There is some personal things going on in my life, which is why I paused that and I'm focusing on maintenance right now. But hopefully I will resume and get full-fledged into weight loss, and I'm excited to bring that content for you guys. So enough rambling, let me move on to actually assembling my drink. So I just love using this Joko cup, you guys. It does come with a lid, but because I'm having an iced drink and I'm just at home, I don't really use the lid, and I'll just use like a plastic straw. So you need a large glass like this. You're going to need an espresso pod. I'm using Skiro by Nespresso. You're also going to need some sort of vanilla syrup. I love the Torani sugar-free vanilla, so I'll be using this. And of course you need the caramel flavor, which you're gonna drizzle into the cup. And you're also going to need some sort of milk. So you can use regular milk, a milk alternative, whatever your preference is. I've just been using 2% milk. I've been a basic bee lately, so we're gonna be using some 2% milk. And that's it. And of course you're gonna need ice, and I love to put a lot of ice in mine, so you guys will see that. So firstly, we're gonna just assemble it. What I like to do is put in my vanilla syrup, just a little bit. I wanna say maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of the vanilla syrup. And then I like to take the caramel, and this is a little bit liquidy, so just be, light with your hand. And I'll take my cup and I'll just drizzle it all around the edges, and as it's slowly dripping, I'll start turning my cup. So hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing there. Something else that I like to do is put the caramel drizzle into the milk, like just a little bit, to create like a caramel frothed milk. And I only do this because the caramel is so liquidy. So there you go. We're gonna go in and we're gonna froth this up. I'm gonna go in with my ice and of course my frothed caramel milk. You can see that nice froth. That looks so good. I want to go in with just a little bit more ice. Like I mentioned, I love a lot of ice, you guys. So I like to just go back and top it up with however much ice will fit. And I'll just take my straw and give this a nice little stir. And this is basically, you guys, this is the caramel iced coffee that has had me on a literal chokehold. It's so delicious. You guys definitely need to try this. Let's do a taste test on camera. First of all, do you guys see the froth on top? The caramel frothed milk is everything. And of course, we got caramel drizzled throughout. Let's give this a taste. So good, you guys. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys end up trying my iced drink. I'm so obsessed with this, you guys. The fact that I can have a delicious, sweet, caffeinated iced drink and not have the guilt of all those calories and sugar definitely is amazing. And I love that I can make it in the comfort of my own home whenever I want and customize it. So I definitely love this. If you guys want me to do a more specialized video where I share some drinks that I love to make using my Nespresso, let me know and I can definitely make that for you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's vlog, you guys. I'm gonna spend the rest of the day just relaxing. It's the weekend, so I want to take some time to recharge and maybe disconnect from some devices and just kind of relax. So I'll definitely catch you guys in my next video. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.